So I'm going to go in with some scary darks on dry paper. Not quite dry. And look at that. Ooh, scary, scary, scary.
That is scary.
Scary, scary, scary stuff. And I'm going to get this stack of hair that she has back here. Really, really dark. So I started with the blue, going in with the red right away. I want to really make sure I keep that spot of light that separates some of these braids. Okay, and then I want to get some of the strong gold and get this really dark back here. This is really fun, getting into the darks. And now I'm going to touch the edge and let that flow down. And I'm going to get up on the tip of my brush. So see how it's kind of mixed on the paper? So I'm going to take that mix and I'm going to find some of these braids by just squiggling a little bit. I want to get it not so homogenized though. I just want to make sure I leave light spots and dark spots. And now I'm going to just bring that down. So the forehead area, that's too similar in color there. Oh, isn't that fun, 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 fun. Exciting painting now. So I just want all three of these colors to blend.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.